Good sheep, vinegar, JC. Yeah. So sheep make lanolin, and lanolin's antimicrobial and it's moisturizing. It's awesome, and they make it and exude it all over their bodies, but they exude a lot of it out of their little eye duct and out of their little duct. Actually, you can see it right there. That exudes lanolin, and then right here, all that is lanolin. In between their back leg and their udder, there's her two teats right there. She has like a little pocket, and it seems to also exude pure pieces of clean lanolin, a lot cleaner than the cloven duct, and even better than the eye duct. Lanolin. She's got like 20 to 50 times more than this on her udder right now, and if I peeled it off, it would it would reproduce within a week. So there's a lot of lanolin to be had in this secret little duct. Yeah, good girl. Lanolin's so moisturizing. It's already coming off on my finger. You can see it. Nice waxy substance. It has moisturizing effects and antimicrobial effects, and it's also flame resistant, so you can actually use it to jam into your hobo stove or your rocket stove, and it actually turns to like a concrete, so you can use it to seal up your stoves. Good for high temperature. Yeah. Easiest way to harvest lanolin, for sure. Much better than boiling wool and getting all the dirt and the lanolin to come out, and then trying to separate the dirt mud from the lanolin. I've tried that before, and I don't know how to separate it without chemicals, the dirt. Yeah, so not my method. This is my method. Yeah.